Tommy D, Dumpster IP, Dumpster Intervention Patrol, Thomas Dawson. There's Big Blue 42. What's up, bub? Hey, just working on a sunscreen, window, internal, external window cleaning, screen cleaning. We got a whole bank of windows just back to back here, screens back to back. And right now we have to clean the screens first. These cannot be taken down. Well, we could, but we're gonna be taking out framework of the windows here, or I gotta peel off these. I do have to take the screens out of the door to clean the windows. These guys right here, these windows on the back side here, we can actually pull those out. We'll wipe them down, put them back into the framework. So these screens, Big Blue is just giving them a rinse after we wash them down. You can see some of the dirt already, and it was a heavy dirt. Yeah, see that? That's actually part of just the nasty that's built into the screen. These screens, you'll see some white wear. They're definitely got to be 10, 15 years, maybe older. Pretty good shape though, but they're starting to wear thin. Just rinsing that one out. Yeah, so hey folks, Dumpster Intervention Patrol, we don't just clean bins and dumpsters, right? External windows, internal window cleaning, sunscreens. We can even do a home cleaning. Thomas was just saying how satisfying it would be to rinse down a really heavy, dirty home. We can do roof cleaning. You see those solar panels up there? We can clean solar panels. Again, just had an artificial grass job. Want to throw out a shout out to a few people today. I want to thank Jennifer Willever and Steve as well. Jennifer and Steve for their valued business. They were able to clean their artificial grass before daughter's camp sleepover. They're going to do it in the backyard on that grass. Well, guess what? It's going to be smelling beautifully and fresh. So we're grateful for you. I didn't scrub it. No, you were starting over there, dude. I was on the other side. What else there? We were able to clean the bins too. Nice and shiny, clean and fresh, crazy enough. Anyway, I'm going to get back to work. Big Blue's just scrubbing another window, another screen. Let's just show them how it works, and then we'll let you all go. Hope you're having a great weekend already. I think it's Saturday. I don't even know what day it is. I don't really care. When you're living your dream, every day is a beautiful day. And here he goes. Yeah, go around that edge too. Go slide all the way down that edge now. There you go. Yep, go around the edges too. So typically these will all come down. This one will come down. We got to clean that window back there. But since they're up and we were already doing these other screens, we figured we'd just scrub them while they're right in place. Because ideally when these windows come off too, we'll let these dry. And that way when we're in the house, if there is any remnants on the back side of the screen needing cleaned, then we can do that too. So again, just kind of work in progress. It's crazy how every house seems a little different. That house over there, you can tell they could use a good scrub, and they're really whitewashed at the bottom, really bleached from the sun, from the weathering, dust and debris. Anyway, we know folks that can replace those screens. Hey, if you need film, I know a great company that can help with that as well. Mr. Wilson's Tinning, Jackie, Paul, give them a call for sure. Or reach out to me, and I'd be able to help too with anything that might require some help with energy efficiencies. But anyway, take a look. Got my new orange gloves on too. Anyway, happy Saturday. Peace. 602-737-3942, dumpsterip.com.